They see you.
Hello. So we've just been down at the settlement. It was awesome. We figured out a lot. We learnt a lot. We have figured.
She had researched a lot for us.
She is awesome. So we've done a lot. That little time we were there, 3 hours.
2 hours?
So now we're at Tulasand. We're just gonna figure out what to do, where to place everything. I'm thinking just there. I originally wanted it here, but all the rocks are there.
Yeah.
Unless.
Sometimes they put out boys.
First time I was ever here, it was frozen.
Yeah.
And I could stand on this out there for probably 3 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters, and it was great. But now it's so yeah, we're gonna figure out the wedding now. So we're planning the wedding. Sarah's taking pictures. I'm standing here. I love this beach. It's awesome. This is the waves. This is how big they are every day. Tidal wave. Oh, look at that one. Wow. Wasn't that a big wave? That wave.
Drop yourself over?
I'm getting scared of all these waves around. So, this is where we're going to have it. Right here. So about 100 meters from the line. That rock. Basically from this rock here. And then it's good because we can actually come over the sand dunes if we really want, because there's where we had the picnic.
Yeah. You can over there. Surprise them. Because I was gonna say you can come out of that white door.
Nah.
Down here.
I think down the sand
Or you
dunes
can
would be
come
great.
down there. Yeah.
Come down the sand dunes. We sit here. Stand here. Do shoogity boogity. Shoogity boogity boo.
And if it's a bit windy, we go up there.
Yeah. So on the day, so again, A and B and C inside. So we've got a plan, because even the hut would be good there.
Yeah.
So, and even if we have the hut up there, it doesn't really matter because no one's going to be down here on a rainy day.
Yeah.
So it'll be fine. So A here, B there, C inside. That's a good plan. So best possible. Because look, the view when you're sitting here,
It's a gorgeous
it's
view.
gorgeous. You've got all of Tulasand. You got the beautiful little island, and you've got the sun, the tower, and the rocks. It's gorgeous. I think it's perfect. Rock
Yeah.
ceremony.
Well,
Got to remember this rock. Yep. I can't get the rock. Hurrah. She's always judging me. I have a judgmental wife.
What? I don't judge.
She observes and then she judges. Where do you want it, darling? Sarah's a rock.
Oh yeah, I am.
She's my rock. All right.
You know, it's not far to walk down. It's and there's plenty of opportunity.
This is where Sarah spent all her time at the beach, being a lifesaver.
Yeah, for a couple of years before I moved over to you.
To Australia.
Yeah.
Alright, it's actually not too bad. The weather's quite good. It's 12:22. Everything's looking pretty good here.
Here
What
or on
port?
the beach side? There.
Hello. What port? What's a port?
Port.
Arch.
Arch.
Arch, okay. Okay, so a
Yeah.
port, an arch is a port, port for an arch.
Arch.
Right.
Yeah. And
So-
board, yeah.
I don't want it.
Because,
I don't want it out
don't
here at all.
I don't want people to be on this side.
No, it's all on the other side. So we're at Soda Pier. And Soda Pier is awesome. Yeah, this is the place. I wonder if Kim's here today. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I saw her.
Alright, so this is where flies everywhere. This is where we're having it.
Not far.
No, but it's a good view. So I think we should have it maybe down there on that other second plank of wood.
Yeah.
If we have it there, then it's like a feature thing. It's away from everyone.
Yeah.
And then they can just do whatever they need to do and stuff like that. You've obviously been playing with this camera.
I haven't played. I've
Played
pushed
with this
one
camera.
button.
Push you for. Alright, so yeah. So it goes right there. And the reason is it's out of shot, but it's still in shot and it's quite cute. So yeah, there. That's where it's all going.
So,
So this is where we're going to have the archway once we finish the wedding thing and have it all here. That's where Bear is. This is where I'm going to stand right now. So yeah, this is pretty much it. We'll have it here once it's rebuilt, so we can take heaps of pictures. People can just sit up there and enjoy it, and this is pretty much it, man. And then we can obviously go down to the water. Kids can play, and that's it. It's basically awesome. I can't wait. It's beautiful, man.
that's the swing where it's having you
Oh,
on it like this way.
we'll figure it out. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, it's not heavy.
Not heavy. I'm the heaviest in the family. I'm the lightest.
It's the tallest.
So yeah,
I think Wolfie is the heaviest.
I think Wolfie is the heaviest. He's the fattest. He eats the most.
Size.
So yeah. All right. I think that's perfect because the archery can be there. You can get shots here. You can
Get the sand.
get everything,
'Cause,
the sand.
You don't want people to be on that side anything.
No.
You want them all to come. And you can walk around without even walking inside. You can walk
I think it's
around
great.
inside.
I definitely rate it. I definitely think so. And we can row in, row out.
Yeah.
It'd be great. I'm not editing that out. That is purely in the vlog.
No.
Yes.
No.
Sarah Toots is going to be the title of the
That's
vlog.
you.
It was, yeah, it definitely was me coming from your ass. Arsehead. Alright. Do you want to go get some fika? Go see Kim and say g'day?
Yeah. I think-
Kim, by the way, is the lady who owns the place, not my sister.
Yeah.
Don't get confused.
Kim or Kim.
Kim or Kim. Ah.
Different.
So yeah, I'm excited. Are you pumped? I'm very confident now.
I feel like I'm getting there.
I'm there.
I was not concerned at all until I came to Sweden. And then my Swedishness kicks in and I'm like, oh, people say I should think. People say I should do this.
Should be worried.
Yeah, and
Let's
I'm
go.
like, oh.
Right, food time. Fika. Hey doc.